Hi, today I will show you how to download TikTok back if you deleted it. So I provide full guide and provide proof. I hope you just follow my all process, then you get 100% solution. When I'm open my app store and search at to TikTok, but look at this, not provide TikTok apps in my app store. So open your Safari browser and go to search option, search set to TikTok login. Okay, and click on to login option. So when I'm trying to open TikTok in my Safari browser, then I'm get this option. So when I'm clicked on open TikTok, but I'm get message app not available. So don't worry. Okay, go out, open App Store again and go to search option, search set to VPN. You get free VPN. So I'm already download this VPN. This is a totally free VPN. This on and another VPN and App Store. Click on to profile. So I'm living in United States. This is the main problem, so I just change my region. If you want to select any country, like select Canada. Select and fill up all address. Copy my all address same to same. Now successfully changed my region United States to Canada. Okay, but now I'm still using United States Wi-Fi, so I'm just change my Wi-Fi location, use VPN. So I'm select and connect it. So look here, now successfully connect my VPN. Okay, go out and try to open App Store. Go to search option, search set to TikTok. Okay, now I am finally get my TikTok. So I hope you just follow my 2 tricks, then you get 100% back your TikTok. Click on. Okay, now successfully starting download my TikTok. So if you have any question, let me know my comment box and provide solution. Thank you.